Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book a room in the Outlook calendar and add that room's calendar to your own so you can see what bookings they are and you can make it easier for you to book. The first thing you want to do is obviously go to your Outlook. In this case, I am in the web version, the browser version of Outlook. If you're using the app, I suggest you change to the new version of Outlook. Up at the top right of your screen, you should have a little toggle switch that says something like New Outlook or Try the New Outlook or something like that. If you click on that, your interface will change and it will be very, very similar to the browser version of Outlook. It'll make it easier for you to follow along this tutorial. So back to our browser. This is the email. What you want to do is you want to be in your calendar, which is right up here. If you click on that little icon, you'll switch to the calendar view. By default, the calendar that appears is your own calendar. So any bookings you make here will be only in your calendar. Before we do anything, we want to add your calendar. So if you click on this, add calendar, we want to add a calendar from the directory, which is right here. That will search our environment for the calendar you want. You want to add your own account. It should be by default the first one that comes up. And now here's the catch. We have to type in the name of the room. Normally what happens is that the name of the room, the room will appear magically down in the drop-down. So say if I try conference room, the office conference room appears, but you'll see that when you type in hall, nothing happens. There's a reason for this. The hall has been a room, has been a team, has been a group, has been a team that was called hall and then deleted, then they changed the name. And because of all these changes, our environment is no longer able to easily find the room when you type in the name. So what we have to do is type in the full email address of the room. In this case, our email address is hall@sunnyviewschool.com. That's what you want to type in. You can click on use this address and it'll add the room. Now you get a choice to add it to a few of your calendars. You can add it to people's calendars, which is the default, or you can add it to my calendars or other calendars. In my case, I'm going to add it to other calendars. You click on add. It says importing, and right down here, you'll get this little sign saying added. You close that and you'll see how down here in your other calendars menu, you have Hall at Sunnyview School. Now you see that my calendar option has changed. I now have two calendars. One is my own calendar and next to it is the Hall calendar. So let's close my calendar. Underneath that, I'm going to close it and stay with only the Hall calendar and say today there's a free slot here at 11:30 and I'm going to book that. Double click on that, you add your title. I'm just going to call it booking. You invite your attendees if necessary. You check your times down here. And that is all you have to do. You save it and it's done. That is your hall booked for today. This is really, really easy if you know how.